Hey, how are you? This is Crazy Bug, and we wanted to show you this circuit we put together in Minecraft. This is a logic circuit, basically an 8-bit adder, which adds two binary 8-bit numbers together, up to 255 plus 255, and gives you the result in a binary light block. We didn't use any command blocks, we just used logic circuitry. And we based this circuit on a circuit designed by an individual, and we give him credit below in the YouTube. Please make sure to check out his circuit. So this is our two input blocks there, the left and the right input blocks where we input our numbers. And if we zoom out, you'll see again the entire circuit is 7 full adders and a half adder. And this is very similar to how it's implemented in actual circuitry. We're going to zoom in here on an adder. What you have is 3 gates in each adder. It's an XOR gate, and an XOR gate, its function is to turn on only when one of the inputs are on. It's an exclusive OR. The gate on the right is an AND gate. That turns on when both of the inputs are on and only when both are on. And that's an OR gate, which turns on when either or both of the inputs are on. And those are the 3 logic gates in each adder. We're going to show you here how the OR gate works. Just as a side demo, you got 2 inputs. When either of them is on, you'll see that the output turns on. And when both are on, the output's always also on. And the amazing thing about this is how you can create functional, semi-intelligent devices out of very basic building blocks that can just perform very, very basic functions. All right, so now we're going to show you underground our maze of wiring, which we really enjoyed putting together, except for the debugging. But you'll see here we have miles and miles of wire, redstone, similar to you would in a silicon circuit, running through the layers, bringing our signals around, and this right here brings the results back to our result light block, which we wanted to put close to our input blocks. And you can see the wires running vertically here. All right. So now we're going to show you how it works. So we're going to add 2 numbers together. We're going to add 60 plus 95. So let's set up our 60, 32, 16 is 48, 56, and 60. And we're going to set up 95 over here. So it's 64 and 30. I'm sorry, and 16, which is 80, 88, 92 with 94, 95. Now our circuit's flowing through, our signals are flowing through all our logic gates. All that computation is going on, and you can see it all cranking. Certain wires and outputs are on, certain wires and outputs have been shut off automatically from our gates. And it brings back the result to our light block, our result block, and we'll count from the right. So, of course, we're expecting 155, so we got 128. Plus 16 is 144. 152. 154. And 155. There it is. There it is, and that's your logic circuit, 8-bit adder. And this is just Crazy Bug. Hoping you have a good afternoon.